welcome to COCOMDTV, where we talk about mind and body matters because both your mind and your body matters. And today's topic of discussion is unstable moods. What do you mean unstable moods, Dr. Poole? I'm talking about those like up and down moods. I am talking about those Rice Krispie-like moods, the snapping, the crackling and popping for no reason kind of moods. Yes, unstable moods. Now, the purpose of this video will be to help you get on the right track of trying to figure out what the cause of your unstable mood is. Or not just you, it could be a friend or family member. You're trying to figure out what's going on because this unstable mood is causing problems at home, at work, etc. Okay, so from the start, there could be 4 different causes of unstable moods. That kind of just like the 4 things that come to my head. The first thing is substance-induced mood disorder. It could be somebody could be on a substance that is either an illicit substance, something that they shouldn't have, or something that they're given, that they're actually prescribed or taking, that is causing that unstable mood. Once that's ruled out, then we can go into the other things. It could be, the cause of an unstable mood could be bipolar disorder. I am sure you all have heard of the term bipolar disorder, and it was probably used incorrectly because bipolar disorder is actually used to describe like everything. Anybody who has an unstable mood, sometimes people say, oh, this is bipolar disorder. That is not true. Okay, so the first thing is substance-induced mood disorder. Second thing, possibly bipolar disorder. Something else a little less known is borderline personality disorder. Could be a cause of your unstable moods. A personality disorder is a pattern of behavior and thinking that causes impairment at home, at work, and in different places. And there's a lot more about that. I'll do another video on that. And then also a complex or chronic severe case of PTSD can also look like a mood disorder as well. So those 4 different things, you would need to go to a specialist, a mental health care person in order to diagnose these things. And the reason why it's important to do that is because the treatment and the prognosis for all 4 of those things are different. So what I am actually going to do is actually do a series on the causes of unstable moods. And the purpose of this video, in addition to helping you get on the right track to determining what the cause of your unstable mood is, also for you to have a chance to write down your questions or send in your questions about bipolar disorder, about borderline personality disorder, complex severe PTSD, maybe substances. If you have any specific questions about that, go ahead and comment below and or send an email or whatever it is you want to do to ask me specifically what your question is, and I will try to answer it in that specific video. So I'm probably going to do maybe 2 or 3 videos following this one, like part 1, part 2, about the causes. So you can get more information about what is borderline personality disorder, what is bipolar disorder, the basics kind of. And then in addition to that, within this series, I'm going to offer some book recommendations that may help you. I am big on psychoeducation. My patients will certainly tell you Dr. Poole does a lot of teaching in the office, as well as prescribing meds or counseling or whatever. I also do a lot of education because I've had great success in my patients actually diagnosing themselves after I can kind of get a hint of what it is they're going through. And I'll give them a book of a well-written memoir or like a book about, let's say, borderline personality disorder, and they will come back in the office and say, OMG, that is me. And that's really helpful. It's some good information because it's good information because you will understand what the prognosis is, what the treatment is, and then also to know that you're not alone in these things. So I look forward to doing this series. Please subscribe and comment below with your questions, and God bless. Take care.